Hey, in this video, I have another great Christmas decoration project to get into. This neat little church, easy, fun build. Let's get into it. The second piece to be about right there. So I'm going to go with 8.5. All right. All right, I have the 3 pieces for the church. The first church cut, 9.5 by 8.5, cut it at 45. 5 by 6.5, cut it at 45. And 16 by 5, cut it at 45. Now, some of you are going to ask, why did I do the half? I was kind of working within the parameters of the scrap wood I already had. So you can mix these up, but ultimately you want the first two, one to fit inside like this, right? And you can, maybe you want to put windows here. I'm not going to, but you could make this first part smaller so you can fit windows on either side. And then the last piece, of course, goes like so behind it to be the steeple. Now we will get this sanded and glued, and then we're going to paint this first one white. All right. I'm going to assemble piece by piece, and I think I'm just going to glue it and let it sit for a minute. I'm not even going to put any holes in it with the brad nailer, so I don't have to worry about that. And the only thing I'll have to do is just make sure you're making it even right here. In fact, probably just make a mark if I want to be incredibly exact with it. You're grabbing the brad nailer. Yes, you will not see this. Now this front piece is also 5 as the bottom one, so if you can just eye that and line it up, you'll be good to go. We are going to let that sit and dry. I'm going to go ahead and mark out the door about where the size that I want it. Now I'm making a little wooden door. You could paint a door on if you want afterwards. I've got this 3/8 wood sitting around, so I'm going to use this. I'm going to fashion a type of door. I'm going to sketch it out, and then I'm going to cut it with my jigsaw. All right, a little rough. We'll get it sanded up. All right, got through with that. Not that symmetrical, but we're going to go with it. I have these 3/8 poplar sticks that you also get at Lowe's, and I'm going to cut to make a cross for the top of the steeple. All right, I got the door stained here. I did it in a briar smoke stain. And the cross, I cut off 2 pieces, got them stained, left these areas right here unstained so I can glue it, because I didn't want any stain there to interfere with the glue. I let it sit for about 15 minutes. It seems to be holding. And now I just have to figure out a good way to get it on the church. I might have to brad nail it. We'll see. Since I painted it, I don't think the glue is going to work. All right, there's the church freshly painted. I used white chalk paint. Please don't split. Wow. So there it is. I got a bunch of these scraps, the 3/8 thick wood there. I'm going to go ahead and add little roof pieces on here. I'm going to cut these at 1 inch thick. I'm sorry, 1 inch wide. I think that'll accent it really nicely. And I'll also stain it in the briar smoke so it'll all match. All right, got these roof pieces cut, obviously sanded and stained, all the parts that are going to show anyways. And we will get these brad nailed on. All right, roof pieces are on, and I think we will call this project good. Really fun to make, really simple, easy cuts, good project for the kids or grandkids, and obviously an excellent project for the holidays.
Hey, thanks for watching this awesome video on this lovely Christmas house that my husband made. Sorry, actually, that's a church, huh?
This is a church. Yeah, it's all good.
You can do like bloopers.
Yeah, I'm keeping this in.
Hey, thanks for watching my husband's video. I just love the new Christmas one. We just want to say Merry Christmas
And happy holidays.
And Happy New Year.
And Happy New Year. And thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for helping us grow this channel. And
supporting my pedicures.
She might get one for Christmas.
I might.